Are you sending hundreds of LinkedIn messages on a daily basis and you don't get any reply back? Have you ever find a job perfectly matched with your profile, and when you apply through the right person and sending a message to them to just show them how much your profile is matched with them, you didn't get any reply either? Sounds familiar? Then I highly recommend you to stay till the end of this video, because I'm going to share with you some tips that you can avoid to reach to this situation. Stay with me. Hello everyone, I'm Pegah Gol and I'm #1 best-selling Amazon author of the book called The Formula. I'm a career coach and recruitment expert with over a decade of experience in recruitment and job hunting. And I would like to share with you in this video some of the mistakes that normally job hunters make with their headline on LinkedIn. LinkedIn by far is the most professional social media platform. It provides the opportunity to job hunters, hiring managers, recruiters, and even business entrepreneurs to come together and be able to network with each other. So why the headlines is so important? The headlines on your LinkedIn is basically your elevator pitch. It represents you way before your profile. Before they come and check your profile, they see your headline. And if you don't have anything interesting on your headline, then you already lose the opportunity that someone checking your profile. So if you are a job hunter, if you're actively looking for a job opportunity, you need to make sure that you have an interesting headline. So the mistake #1 is having a blank headline. So if you don't have anything there and if you keep it blank, people cannot assume what you're doing. And it's like you're going to do networking and you just standing there without saying anything. You don't say hi to anyone, you don't start to introduce yourself, you're not saying anything about yourself. So look at it this way and you will not leave it blank. I suggest that to watch the video till the end, because I'm just going to talk about the mistakes and I will have the best solutions for all of them. Let's go to mistake #2. On a daily basis, I've seen so many profiles with the headlines, "I'm looking for job opportunities." So why this is a mistake to write it there? Because you already block the opportunity that anyone can look at your profile. Yes, you're looking for job opportunities. What kind of job opportunities? What is your background? What is your experiences? What you're good at? How people would know even what you're doing at the moment. And there is a secret which I'm going to share with you right now. And is that when recruiters start to search for any jobs, any vacancies that I have, search for the candidates, either recruiters, internal recruiters within your organizations, or recruiters in recruitment agencies and headhunters. When they get the job description, they start to search for the candidate on LinkedIn. The first thing they do, they go to the search box and put the job title. And guess what? LinkedIn, by default, it's bring the job titles that is written on your headline. And in that situation, you already lost the opportunity. And this is exactly the same example that I mentioned earlier. It's like that you're going to an event and then you just reach to everyone, and instead of saying that what you have done in the past, what is your expertise, what you were doing, you just started your conversation, "Hi, I'm looking for job opportunities." So what kind of job opportunities? What are you doing, So you just don't give this chance to people to come and check your profile, and this chance to yourself as well. So this is another tip to avoid. Now we reach to the mistake #3. and this is I can do everything kind of profile. Have you ever seen any profiles that their headline is so confusing? I'm a pharmacist, I'm a fashion designer, I'm a beautician, and I'm a life coach. So I leave it to you for a few seconds. What kind of message you're giving to people? You may think that this is actually increasing your chances because you're putting many things, but this creates the confusions. Again, I'm going to use the same example because everything that you want to do with your headline, you need to think of your elevator pitch on any kind of events. So if you go into an event and you start your conversation, hi, I'm a pharmacist, I'm a beautician, and I'm a life coach, you are not grabbing anyone's attention, and people would be like confused, thinking what she's or he's doing exactly. So whenever you want to change your headline, you want to create a new LinkedIn profile, the best way to do is to be very much crystal clear, transparent to what you want to achieve. Whatever it's your aim, you need to just reflect it on your LinkedIn headline. Also, at the same time, it's very important to just think what other may think, what am I doing? Is that really clear message to them that this is what I'm doing and this is what I'm looking for? So in this case, you don't have any problem. So hope this video actually help you to avoid this mistake. If you find these tips useful, please give this video a thumbs up, and please make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to share more and more tips about the job hunting. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.